Debt is one of the most emotional topics in personal finances. Most people want to eliminate debt quickly, and that desire is understandable. But not all debt is equal. Paying the wrong thing first can slow your progress. Hi, Special. My name is Linda, and welcome to Building Wealth with Wisdom and Purpose. In today's video, I will be talking about debt versus wealth. Which one do you pay first? Debt falls into categories. We have high interest consumer debt, low interest structured debt, and strategic debt. High interest consumer debt will drain your future. Low interest consumer debt requires strategy, not panic. Treating all debt the same creates confusion. Let's look at why people struggle with paying down their debt. Most people just randomly pay their debt. Today $500, tomorrow $20. That is it. And some people also focuses on the size of the debt instead of looking at the interest rate. Others let their emotion guide them. Just because they're emotional today, they want to pay $500, tomorrow they pay nothing. This sometimes will feel like you are productive, but this is not the best way to pay off your debt. Building wealth requires order. The strategy is that before you aggressively start paying off your debt, do these things. Create an emergency fund and have at least 1 to 2 months of your essential expenses. Also, eliminate high interest debt first. You can also start balancing debt payment with savings. Don't just let your savings account be zero and be paying off your debt. Balance it. I will also say maintain positive cash flow. This will protect you from going backwards all the time. The goal is not just to be debt-free. The goal is to be financially stable, be prepared, and growing financially. Someone can be debt-free and still be financially vulnerable. Wealth is built through balance, not the extreme. I have seen people who pay off their debt aggressively. Then, when they face emergencies, they run back on credit cards and they end up being in debt again. Strategy prevents repetition. Wisdom is not rushing. Wisdom is choosing the right order. Being debt-free is important, but being financially stable is very, very essential. Remember, progress happens when strategy replaces emotion. Now, if you think this video was helpful, please comment, like, and share this with your family and friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.